People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we have some serious news to discuss. Cocoa T wife caught cheating on the reggae legend, and she allegedly bring Bonaman to his funeral. Take a listen.
I am Cocoa T's first daughter. I am Roshane Scott, and I feel the need to come out and address the media because a lot of people have been asking questions and they need to know the truth about some stuff. First and foremost, may my father's soul rest in peace. My father was a good person, a great icon and a great legend, but my father did not make the right choice as far as choosing a partner for his life, and I'm so caught up about it. Some of the family members been calling me and bashing me and my brother Junior about we not attending the funeral and not there for my dad, and circumstances we cannot attend. First and foremost, thanks to the family that is helping my father to bury and have a good funeral, the cousins.
So what about his wife? What about his wife?
No, the wife not doing anything. First and foremost, the wife take the money and do what she want to do it and mind her man them.
What?
And him family them, him cousin, him nephew them.
Back up.
Bury him.
What do you mean mind her man them?
She mind her man. She have a doctor in the house right now. She have doctor in the house, and she used to use the man money, mind her policeman, make her bill up house in the police.
Wow.
I remember in 2004,
Allegedly,
right?
my friend, allegedly, are you sure?
It's not allegedly, it's what people tell me, but what I'm sure of is what my dad told me 2003, between 2003 when he came in when I was here in New York. My father meet me and I asked my father for some money. My father sent on the money because rent's going on my account, and she gone, they spent up the whole line money. And at the time, he never explained to me where exactly she was with, but apparently she was giving him bond from that time, and he never said nothing, just said it was in Canada, and they spent up the whole line money.
Damn! It's such a disgrace. But I mean, this is why I stopped defending Jamaican women a long time ago. The statistics and numbers prove it. Y'all are the bottom of the barrel, the worst women in the world. Y'all are vile. Anyways, let's move on to the next clip. 119 does a full breakdown and analysis of this whole situation. It's quite a long clip, so grab a drink and a snack and then kick back and relax.
Does anybody out there know whether Cocoa T's wife brought any of Cocoa T's matey to Cocoa T's funeral? Anybody who did at the funeral? Wanna know? Come and tell 119 and tell the public. If that woman named Red's Cocoa T wife, whether she brought any of her men to the funeral, wanna come talk? Come and talk up now. No. Because Reds would have killed Cocoa T with bun. Reds bun Cocoa T, she bun Cocoa T, till she put out Cocoa T out time one house and bring in her man. Bring in her doctor man in a Cocoa T house and put Cocoa T in her home. And when 119 came and told, because 119 broke the news, 119 is still the breaking news journalist. So when 119 did come and tell where Cocoa T wife had gone with Cocoa T, no found probably the doubt where 119 I say, well, one of Cocoa T's daughters has come public to say the same things that 119 was saying, and no found never believe. Go on like you can't believe. Go on like nothing can't go so. You don't know that when 119 come and talk, 119 don't come and talk for. You don't know. You don't realize by now that anything 119 come and say come from the horse's mouth. It is a shame and disgrace that this woman where everybody call Red's Cockatee wife. And me come to load you up. Because women have been getting away with too much for too long. Woman a clown out man for too long. A take man for idiot for too long. And 119 is here to expose you and shame you and load you up. You bun the man to death. Cockatee wife bun Cockatee to death. Cockatee not only died physically, but he died from a heartbreak. The heartbreaks of his wife. And I saw them at it, you know. These modern day women now, they don't care about men. They don't love men. Who no love no man. Because no so-called empowered and so-called independent. Me don't know how no independent, but yet still not depend on man for man money. Who no want man money, then that's how no independent. So all men out there, who no use Cockatee as an example as to where one woman are going to do to you when you get up in age or you get sick. The man not in the up in age because I'm 65. Anything happen to you when you get down, you know, one of the later years, this is exactly how the woman are going to deal with them. Flinging up in our home and bringing our man in your house where you buy. Hey. Father God, Papa Jesus, Lord, take the case and give me the pillar, dear God. No, sir. Them ya gal ya. Them ya woman ya. Jesus Christ. You know, say a true man stop beat to man. A true man stop beat to man, you know. Woman have to get whipping, you know, have to get, you know, ass have to get whooping. Man have to have, you know, under them thumb and under them foot bottom. I come and stop, bust, you know, ass. Why you start going wild? Do anything you want to feel like. God, I tell man about a domestic abuse. You don't forget some raw slick. You don't forget some blood clot lick. I mean, I like cussing a man. But wickedness are wickedness, man. I want to come tell me now about, oh, no man check for them on the woman and violence and this, that. You now come tell me, say. You now come tell me, say. No woman should abuse their men verbally or emotionally or what Cockatee wife do to him. And no one can ask me, say, me did at the funeral. Me never got the funeral. Because me can load up the family, the pity them everybody. And where no bones are provided, no dogs are invited, 119 is not an idiot. You think me I go take up myself, guy the woman funeral? You know man? Me say man, we need to go back to the days of what the Bible prescribed. That when a woman burn her man, she should be stoned to death. Cockatee's wife should be stoned to death according to the Bible. And no found no God the man funeral. The man funeral coming like nothing. He's an icon. There was no Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister. No Mark Golding, the opposition leader. There was no Babsy Grange either, but it must have been something because Babsy Grange is a hard-working minister. She's at everything. It must have been something why she had to send a representative and not attend. But there was the opposition spokeswoman on culture, Deborah Hickling. She was there. But most egregious, most of all, there was no coffee at Cockatee's funeral. That's another shame and disgrace. Because without Cockatee, there would be no coffee. Cockatee is the one who exposed coffee to the world. Cockatee are the one who bust coffee. Coffee gets Coffee get smooth sailing right to the top. Because of Cocoa-Tea, she not go through no struggles for bus. I don't know if Coffee knows how difficult it is for your artist bossing at the music business. And you get a free ride right to the top, to the pinnacle because of Cocoa-Tea. And you don't have the courtesy, the common decency to attend the man's funeral. Sure. Yo, when I get me bringle today, I know, man, me I tell you, man. I want to say some things this, man. I want to say some things. Come on, Coffee. In fact, you should have financed the entire funeral. You owe everything you have to Cocoa-Tea, and you wasn't at his funeral. And some of the artists them, with Cocoa-Tea have a big tune with Buju Banton, Home T4. Was anybody there from Home T4? Marcia Griffiths was I hear Shabba Ranks was there. But I guess that's about it. Everybody else, Little John and some little people. But the people who you expected to be there were not there. And in fact, Cocoa-Tea should have probably gotten an official funeral. Because Dennis Brown got an official funeral. So Cocoa-Tea could have gotten an official funeral. But Cocoa-Tea's wife treat Cocoa-Tea the way women are now treating men. Don't think that it is unique to Cocoa-Tea wife. I saw the woman them a behave with man now. Because women are empowered. Women are now mighty. Women in charge now. And women now have no compassion, no loyalty, no loving of them. You know all for yourself. So that you burn the man to death. And I'm gonna play for you now what Cocoa-Tea's daughter said.
I am Cocoa-Tea's first daughter. I am Roshane Scott. My father did not make the right choice as far as choosing a partner for his life. And I'm so cut up about it. Some of the family members been calling me and bashing me and my brother Junior about we not attending the funeral and not there for my dad. And circumstances we cannot attend. First and foremost, thanks to the family that is helping my father to bury and have a good funeral. The cousins, the wife not doing anything. First and foremost, the wife take the money and do what she want to do it. I'm lying her man them. She mind her man. She have a doctor in the house right now. She have doctor in the house and she used to use the man money, mine a policeman, me here below house in the police. My father meet me and I asked my father for some money. My father sent her the money because rent's going on my account and she gone, they spend up the whole line money. And at the time, he never explained to me where exactly he was with, but apparently she was giving him bond from that time and he never said nothing, just said it was in Canada and they spent up the whole line money.
I hope you don't hear that. I hope you all open up the ears and hear, because when 119 first come and tell you, no found no doubt where 119 did I say. 119.
That was 119's analysis. Please share your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. Now let's move on to a social media user talking about Cocoa-Tea's funeral, saying that he was not respected and he felt that the legend had a mediocre sending off. Take a listen.
Well, I'm not like the man they make Cocoa-Tea thing look out way to blood clot. The man they make Naya funeral look like Naya bigger superstar than Cocoa-Tea. Look how them man they sing over the years, man, if you put reggae music on the top, man, and send Jamaica global, man. Long before we have much sprint stars, man, in Jamaica, man, them man they sing out there and show it to put Jamaica on the map. And you gotta tell me, say, the Babsy Grange them. You gotta tell me the old Andrew Holness them. Yeah? You gotta tell me the Mark Golding them couldn't spend and make the man funeral look a little bit better, bro. I'm here upon the shout, alleged. See, I criminate the man body because a close casting was at the funeral. Yeah? How the bomb buckler in us. All big reggae. Star coffee. What them man they put on global map. I hear say coffee not even dead the man funeral. Or coffee just feel that way. Show she done here what go on already. Bomb buckler to make the man thing look fuck up, bro. When make the man thing look fuck. Yo, man I tell you. That's why I tell the artists them, you know. Make certain so we don't save no money for bear with no bomb buckler itself, you know. See? And don't put too much trust in them minister and them blood clot prime minister and all of, overall Jamaica is just a big fucked up place. Yo, can't believe it's a big cocoa tea. Big blood clot international star. That's how they make the man thing look. Yo, who have some pussy.
Anyways people, that's it for the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and literally costs you nothing. With that being said, Bird Nation, stay sharp.